New Zealand loses Manuka honey trademark battle. Manuka honey is world famous for its taste and quality. It is produced by European honeybees feeding on the nectar of the Manuka tree. This tree grows throughout New Zealand and in some parts of Australia. For over a decade, there has been a trademark battle between the two countries. The New Zealand honey industry wanted Manuka to become a trademark. This would mean only New Zealand beekeepers could use the word Manuka. However, Australia said this was wrong because it also produced Manuka honey. The Intellectual Property Office of New Zealand decided that no one could trademark the word Manuka. This means Australian beekeepers can use the word. The word Manuka is from the Maori language. New Zealand beekeepers said because of this, no other country could use the word Manuka for its honey. They said Manuka was a treasured New Zealand species. New Zealand's Manuka beekeepers said the trademark decision was disappointing. They said New Zealand would continue to fight to protect its honey. In Australia, the Manuka tree is called the tea tree. The Australian Manuka Honey Association said it was delighted with the decision. It said, "Our product has a long history of being recognised as Manuka honey. It is produced like the New Zealand product is, and it also offers the health benefits that consumers value so highly."